Hi, everybody. There is a big buzzword in the project management world today. Guess what? You guessed it right. It is GenAI. Is GenAI going to replace project managers? Agreed, GenAI is a game changer. It can do so many things today. It can automate tasks, it can do resource allocation, it can do predictive analysis, it can even help make better decisions in project management. But Gen AI cannot do what you as a project manager are best at: get the work done. While Gen AI can do a lot of stuff, project management is not just about doing tasks. It is about people, it is about leadership, it is about communication, it is about bringing that wisdom into project management to make better decisions. Gen AI is not here to replace project managers. It is there to help us become better project managers. Go ahead, click on the subscribe button below to learn how to harness the power of Gen AI to become better project managers. Gen AI is here to stay, but we still need you, project managers.